Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will introduce the EPS block molding machine from the perspective of efficiency, covering the following aspects: automatic weighing system, automatic EPS block pickup system, optional extended roll conveyor, remote module control of production on-site parameters, reasonable arrangement of EPS filling guns. Different EPS block molding machines correspond to different numbers of EPS filling guns and filling positions, optimizing filling speed. Efficient vacuum system, including vacuum tanks and condensers, ensuring excellent vacuum system performance, keeping the moisture content of the sheets around 5%, shortening forming time and saving 5 to 10% steam energy consumption. High-performance vacuum cooling system. Our vacuum cooling system is outstanding. By utilizing a high vacuum state, it converts conventional fan cooling into high-performance negative pressure cooling. Vacuum cooling not only ensures quick demolding of products, but also reduces the thermal effect of the mold cavity. Due to the adoption of a unique new cooling system, the working environment of the vacuum pump has been greatly improved, ensuring the pressure and pumping capacity of the vacuum pump. As a result, the cooling time inside the mold cavity is greatly reduced, the moisture content of the products is lowered, and the degree of product curing is improved. At the same time, the mold cavity temperature is maintained, reducing steam energy consumption when making the next mold. For more information about the EPS block machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.